If anyone thinks it's easy, think again. Heart rate was 173, it's now 120, and I thought I'd give myself a bit of welly today and push myself. And I was in Amarera, so have a little climb, a bit windy, and there's a crappy old tractor, it's got to be at least 100 years old, and I thought I'd overtake it, and then being a stubborn git, I thought I can't let it overtake me. And he followed me all the way out, all the way back up the long slog of a hill, so I pushed myself, whereas normally I'd cruise and enjoy up the hill and just give myself a steady pace. I did at least 16.4 all the way up, so we're blowing out my hoop and it's getting warm. But this is where you make progress, when you're in the uncomfortable zone. And 5 years ago, when I started properly cycling, when I was in the Pyrenees going through lockdown and dealing with a lot of crap, that's when I really started cycling. Trust me, I couldn't do any of this. My respiratory was in such a bad way that after all the chemicals and everything else I'd absorbed and the stress I was holding, achy hips, sore knees, you name it, swollen gut, irritable bowel, I was a right mess and a miserable bastard, I expect. And yeah, through persevering, keep showing up, turning up, doing exercise, probably in the best shape I've ever been, mentally and physically, and I really feel I can help other people. So if you like this, don't be put off by it. Don't have to go out and do the silly stuff that I do or what Ian does with the running. You don't have to do marathons and half marathons or me go out and do silly, bonkers rides. This is my race, my pace. I'm up against myself and I'm only improving myself, so you compete only with me. I'm here to just encourage. It doesn't matter if you only walk for 5 minutes, get out there and do it, and I'll be there first there to cheer you on and say well done. And infectious that it is, when you feel good, you change your energy, and it's infectious when you get encouragement, you get acknowledged, you get seen, and you get heard. So if you see anybody out, it doesn't matter where they are, they might be their first time out, and it only needs one person to knock their confidence and it might stop them. So they're out there and they're trying, so they're doing more than what you are. So don't criticise, encourage and inspire. Keep going. What's that? Heart rate 102, so must be getting fitter. I say ciao for now. Have fun.